Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at triangles. So we're going to apply conventions to name and identify triangles based on their properties. So there's different types of triangles. We'll look at that first, and then we're going to apply those properties to find missing angles. Alright, so triangles, different types. A triangle has three sides, right there. Three sides, which means that it also has, and I haven't used a ruler, gasp, three angles. Different triangles, different properties. I'm going to start with this one because it actually has these three sides that look kind of equal. These angles are equal. These sides are equal, so it has to be an equilateral triangle. Now you would have noticed that You'd notice that I've just put in these markings. So in geometry we use certain markings to convey meaning. So if you have these here, it means that there's an angle. And if you notice that they are all the same, it means that they are equal. It's the same with these lines. So these lines are equal. We can have a triangle that is, so I've done an equilateral. We can have a triangle that has two equal sides, and this one is not equal. It means that these angles will also be equal, and this is what we call an isosceles, or as I like to say, Isosceles, because I can never spell it right. Okay, and then you can also have when none of your sides are equal. So B1, actually I'll put that there, which means that none of your angles are the same. And they all have different values. So that is what we call a scalene triangle. Now, scalene triangle, an acute triangle just means that the angles are all under 180 degrees. Oh, sorry, 90 degrees. Right angle triangles are kind of important, especially for future years. There'll always be a right angle in the shape. So denoted by that little square, that indicates that that's 90 degrees, and these can be any value. So if these were equal, they would be equal. Angles, okay. If you have a triangle and you have A, B, and C, this angle here is going to be A plus B. So that's exterior angles. And we've done that one. And if you want to have a look more at that type of stuff with all polygons, you'll see that the exterior angles all add up to 360. So you can have a look at that there. All right, so naming your triangles. We use the symbol triangle and then the letters preceding it. Now they don't need to be particularly in any order. If you want to feel like at ease with yourself, you can just put them alphabetically. So this one here is going to be triangle ABC, triangle MNP, and triangle PRS. Now, it doesn't matter if you had RSP or SPR, etc. They're all the same. So taking those triangles, we're going to classify them based on the information that we have here. So I can see that this triangle has a right angle. So it's a right angle triangle. And I can also see that two sides are equal with those little lines. So it is an isosceles or isosceles. This one here has three equal sides, so it's equilateral. equal meaning of the same. Lateral just means line, so 3 equal lines. And this one here, all different values, so it is a scalene. All right, so it's now your turn to pause the video and have a go of these ones. So don't forget to label and put them in your exercise book. Okay, thanks everyone. Stay awesome.